In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Cash App card without a social security number and explain what is currently possible. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, it's important to understand that the Cash App card is a debit card connected directly to your Cash App balance. It allows you to shop online, make purchases in stores, and withdraw cash from ATMs. However, before you can order or activate a Cash App card, Cash App requires you to complete an identity verification process. During verification, you will usually need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, mailing address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you do not have a social security number or valid identification, you may not be able to complete the verification process. Without successful verification, Cash App does not allow users to order a physical Cash App card. You can still use some basic Cash App features without verification, such as sending and receiving limited amounts of money. However, unverified accounts have restrictions and cannot access features like ATM withdrawals, Cash App card benefits, Bitcoin investing, or stock trading. If you later obtain the required documents, you can go back into your Cash App settings, complete the verification process, and then apply for the Cash App card directly through the app. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.